In your notebook, make sure that you are writing 7.1 addition and subtraction equations. And the objective for today is for you guys to solve addition and subtraction equations fluently, and which is also called the one-step equation. You can solve the equation in one step. Copy down question number 9 in your notebook. The objective is to solve for the equation. So when they're asking you to solve for the equation, they want you to find what A is. So if you can get a number for A that makes this equation come true, then you have solved the equation. So to find what A is, you need to get rid of this 3.5. So the 3.5 you are adding to an A. So the opposite of adding a 3.5 is subtract 3.5 on the right side and subtract 3.5 on the left side. Make sure that you put a line. The line separates the work that you did to the work that you're going to get now. So 3.5 minus 3.5 cancels because 3.5 minus 3.5 gives you a 0. So instead of putting a 0, I'm just going to cancel that. So the only thing that is left on the right side is just the A. Bring down the equal sign, and 7.8 minus 3.5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Decimal point must line up. 7 minus 3 is 4. So you got an answer for A. So A is 4.3. Which basically means when you replace A by 4.3 and you add a 3.5 to 4.3, you are going to get 7.8 on the left side. Now let's focus on question number 13. What is the value of n if 15 plus n equals 27? So they are asking you 15 plus what number should equals 27. So this is also a one-step equation. They want you to find what n is. So if you want to find n, you don't want this 15. You just want n equals. You just want to get the variable alone. So you want to get rid of the 15. 15 is being added to n. So the opposite of adding a 15 is subtract 15 on the left and subtract 15 on the right. You can only write the number below the number. 15 minus 15 cancels, they both equal 0. So I'm just not going to write the 0, bring the n equals 27 minus 15 is going to give you 12 as an answer. And that is the value of n. Question number 5, copy this down in your notebook. So you have t minus 7 equals 19. You want to solve for the variable, which means you want to find what t is. So now if you look at this question, t minus 7, in this case you are subtracting 7 from t. The opposite of subtracting 7 is you add a 7 to this side and you add a 7 to this side. Whatever you do on the left side of the equal sign, you do the same thing on the right side of the equal sign. Now minus 7 plus 7 becomes a 0. Just cancel them. So you get t is equal to, so you get t is equal to 19 plus 7 is going to give you 26. Now question number 8, copy this down. A minus 3.2 equals 5.5. You want to find what A is. You are subtracting 3.2 from A, so the opposite of minus 3.2 will be plus 3.2 on the left side of the equal sign and on the right side of the equal sign. You have to write the number below the number. These two cancel out because they equal 0. So you just have the A, bring them down, bring the equal sign. 5.5 plus 3.2 totals 8.7. Now, this is the last question in 7.1. What is the value of k if 16 is equal to k minus 9? Now, the variable can either be on the left side or it can be on the right side. It doesn't matter. So you want to find what k is. Now look in the question. You are subtracting a 9 from k. You want to get rid of this. If I highlight and show you, this is the one that needs to go away, because you just want to get k is equal to what number. So you want to get rid of negative 9, which is minus 9. The opposite of minus 9 is plus 9 on the right and plus 9 on the left of the equal sign. Minus 9 plus 9 cancels. So you just get the k on the right side, the equal sign, bring them down, and 16 plus 9 is going to give you 25. And that'll be the answer.